Hey guys, quick video here. Sorry that I'm not posting much for YouTube, but as it happens, not a lot happens for price on a week-to-week basis. So actually, you probably remember if you watched my last video, you probably remember that the price was right around the same level that is right now. So not a lot happened, and if you watched my previous videos, you probably remember that I was showing this. I think this was like two videos ago, like maybe a month ago or something like that, or maybe 2 weeks ago. So I was showing these levels at 20,000, 30,000, 40, 50, 60. These rounded numbers, which are psychological resistance and supports, and the price was right around this resistance here at 30,000. So that was my that's what I talked about on my last video. So if we zoom in here, these are the updates that I do on the website, because it's just easier to to take a screenshot and just do a little bit of technical analysis. Just easier than making a whole video when not really there's not that much to say. So anyways, zooming in here into the daily candles, we can see that there's three pretty significant levels of support and resistance, which is at the level of 25,000. And so basically the key level of resistance is around 30,000, and the key level of support, we have one level of support at 27, which has been forming here on all these price action here. And if this one was to break in the downside, then 25,000 is our key level of support here, if the price was to continue to go down. However, it's not very clear yet. We cannot really make a prediction here whether the price is gonna break above 30,000 or it's gonna break below 27,000. It's not very clear yet. But this is what we can see here. Here we are again on the daily candles, and we can see that very clear here that since the beginning of the year, the price has been making higher highs and higher lows, and the moving averages started to cross to the bullish side here. And right now, all of the moving averages are trending up and in sequence. This is a bullish sequence, so it's a very a strong indication that we are indeed in a very strong uptrend here. But of course, we need to have retracements sometimes. So the only concerning thing right now is that the price is kind of fighting to get above and stay above the 20 period moving average here, which is the red moving average. So if we go to the actual live chart now and we activate the moving averages, right now you see it's right now it actually closed the previous candle here just closed above the 20-day moving average, which is a very good sign. But you see here, the price was bouncing in between the moving averages, using the 50-day moving average as support and the 20 as resistance, and it couldn't, it was just trapped here, and it's been trying to get above it for the last couple of days or so. So now it's very nice that it actually closed above. That's a very good sign. But it's too early to say yet, because it could easily go down, and this current candle could close below the 20-day moving average again. So it's too early. It's just too early to tell here. It's too early to say. But it's good that we have one daily candle closing above, because really it's the only bearish, the only bearish signal for the short to medium term. The only bearish signal really that I can see here is that the price is that the 20-day moving average was acting as a resistance above the price. But other than that, if we look at the moving averages again, are all in sequence, and all of them are trending up. This is a very strong confirmation of a bull trend. And then the MACD, it's here recently. It's obviously it went down because it found very strong resistance at 30,000 more or less. So it crashed a little bit. So of course the MACD histogram, it's red here, is in the negative side. But you can see that it's losing, it's decreasing in magnitude, and it's about to most probably flip to the positive side now. And also the MACD line signal here is probably about to cross bullish as well. So which indicates a shift in momentum. It indicates that the bulls could be gaining strength here. As for the RSI, nothing to say here really. It's right around the middle, so it's in the neutral zone here. So there's nothing really to look at here for the RSI. So that's what I have for the daily chart. And actually, if we go to the 4-hour chart, I see a lot of strength here in this chart. If you see. Especially for the last period here, after we had all this consolidation, it's been nothing but green everywhere. The MACD histogram is green, which means the momentum is bullish. Both moving averages are trending up, and when it comes to the RSI in this time frame, it's also been trending up for quite a long time here. If you see, both moving averages are trending up. The only neutral signal here is that the moving averages on the chart are not really trending up or down. They are neutral. They're basically flat. You see, the 200-day moving average is flat, the 100-day moving average is flat, and the 20 and the 50 just had a bullish cross, which is a buy signal for traders. So if anything, this is a good sign for the bulls. But generally, the moving averages are flat and crossing above and below each other, so they don't say a lot. But for the rest, look, most of the volume here in the most recent period is green. The histogram is green. The MACD and the RSI moving averages are trending up very nicely. So this time frame, the 4 hours, it's showing a lot of strength, in my opinion. So it would be nice if we could see a break above 30,000 here sometime soon. However, if the price goes back down to the 27,000 level very quick, like in the next, tomorrow or the day after, then that could be enough reason to change to the neutral or bearish bias for the short term. But so far it's looking okay. I think worst case scenario is we're going to be consolidating here in the highs before eventually breaking above 30,000. But you guys know how it is. Sometimes it just takes forever. So anyways, if you guys are interested, if you guys are really interested in my opinion and my inputs, follow me on other channels, not just on YouTube, because I do share a lot of things on Telegram. And by the way, I wanted to show this as well. I am giving away 1 month of paid membership for free, and to 5 winners every week. So where is it? Here. Okay, I share these polls here. So you click here on Telegram, you come here and you vote here, you answer. And then on Monday, I pick a winner. You see, I can see the winners here. I mean, I can see the people who answered correctly. And then I use a number generator online, and I pick 5 people here randomly. So I'm giving away 1 month of paid membership for free to 5 people every Monday. So come and join the free Telegram channel and find this link and do the poll if you're interested in this. And if not, join anyways, because I share reports, I share tutorials, I share content here, I share charts, and yeah, I think that's it. Also on the I have two websites, you know. I have the members website here for paid members, where I have more things and a bigger education center, but I also have the free website here, and I do post educational content. And now I just released these BTC reports. I just released the first one today, but check this out. It's just very, very complete, you know. So if you don't want, this goes over all the time frames here. So it shows the last 30 or 32 candles for every time frame, monthly and weekly and daily and whatever else here. So and it's very complete. So if you're interested in my input, just come and join my other channels. I opened an account on Twitter as well, but I'm not even going to show it because I have nothing there yet, and I'm not going to be focusing too much on Twitter because I have already enough to do. So for now, I'm not going to be promoting Twitter, but yeah, you have the link here if you want to join it. So I think that's all, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. I'm planning to make one video per week for YouTube, but maybe it's going to be every 2 weeks because really, yeah, you know, yeah. Okay, I'll leave it here. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.